Hey everybody, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make these super cute mini skull cherry earrings. They are very unique and clever and cute, but they're actually pretty easy to make. So let's just get right into the supplies that you will need. So you will need 2 red skull beads. These are not the super mini tiny ones, but they're also not the bigger ones. They're kind of the mid-sized ones. If I can find the exact millimeter of these, I'll put it up on the screen. And then you'll need a leaf bead. I'm just using this green glass one that matches our seed bead. And you'll need 8 of these green seed beads. Number could vary on how big yours are, but I believe these are 2 millimeters. And then you'll need 3 head pins, an earring hook, 2 just like regular jewelry pliers, and then one of the needle nose jewelry pliers. Usually I like to use my one-step looper, but the loop that it makes is too small for the leaf, and I will show you why when we are actually making it, but I will be using this to make the loops for the skulls. But if you don't have one of these, then you can just use the needle nose jewelry pliers like you normally would. So our first step is going to be taking a head pin, putting one of our skulls on there, and then putting 4 seed beads, just like that. And then we're gonna take our one-step looper or jewelry pliers. If you use the regular pliers, do that like you normally would, but I'll be using the one-step looper. Also, I do have a review tutorial type video on the one-step looper, so if you'd like to see that, I will link that in the iCard. Okay, so now we have our first cherry with its stem. So we're going to do that again on our next eye pin, head pin I mean. So now we can put our little cherry guys over to the side, and then you'll want to take your third and final head pin and your leaf bead, and you're going to want to put the pointy end of the leaf bead towards the bottom, just like this. And then you're going to want to cut this a little bit higher than you would normally. Okay, and then we're going to take the biggest part of the round piece here, and we're going to turn to make our loop, but you don't want to close the loop off yet. You want it to be a nice big loop so that you can fit everything on there. So we're going to take our cherry pieces and our earring hook. We're going to take the open loop on the leaf. I'm going to put 1 cherry, 2 cherries, and then the earring hook. And it doesn't really matter which way any of this is facing, since all of these things turn and move and they're not set in one direction. But now we can close up this leaf just like that, so that the loop is closed up there. And now you have your second pair of cherries for your earrings. So these are super cute and fun and easy to make. You don't even need any jump rings, which is nice, so you don't use a whole lot of supplies to actually make these. And they're all nice and put together because you don't use any jump rings, so nothing is spread out too far apart. Let me know in the comments down below if you are gonna try to make some of these cherry earrings, or if you did and how that went for you. Make sure to subscribe because I'm gonna be trying to do a lot more videos like this in the future. Other than that, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.